Hi everyone, Victor here with the update on my 3D engine. Um, it's not as much as an update as a video about me talking about this project. Okay, so I started developing this 3D engine that runs on the browser using JavaScript and WebGL. I'm not a WebGL kind of guy or even OpenGL, but I do love 3D. I do like 3D stuff, so I wanted to take a shot at creating a render system so I can just display 3D models on a web page. But I started playing with it and run with the idea. So I've been watching a lot of videos about 3D programming, especially Theme Matrix. Okay, he has a very nice playlist of tutorials about game dev, but his code is in Java. So what I do is I watch these videos and trying to translate uh, the Java code to JavaScript. He uses a library called Lightweight Java Game. I guess that's how it's called. And I'm not using anything, so I've implemented my own functions and stuff. But it's been very helpful with the 3D aspect of the project. I recommend you guys check him out, and subscribe. Okay. I also have been watching videos from Sketchpunk Labs. He also do a lot of videos about WebGL. Okay, but I'm not following him as much as I am following Theme Matrix. Okay, but it's worth checking out. I also take a look at Tree.js. Tree is the most advanced 3D engine that runs on the browser. Okay, so when I in doubt of something, I usually come here and take a look at the examples. Look at this. This is wonderful. I don't know why the texture didn't load, but usually there's a grass texture on here. My internet must be shitty. Okay, so they have a lot of cool examples here with source code. All right, you can check out the source code. I also been looking at WebGL fundamentals. Lots and lots of tutorials here. And on the shader aspect of things, I've been coming to Shader Toy for quite a while now. I even have some engines that I was developing for myself, like this one here, for instance, following a tutorial that I saw on YouTube from Inigo Quilis. Okay. Yeah, my internet is very low. It's very slow today. Anyways, check this out. Shader Toy is a awesome platform to learn shading. Back into my 3D engine. There's something that I want to discuss here. That is this map right here. Let's go out. So as you can see, we have the tile path. Okay, we have grass, we have this dirt texture and also grass. And what I did to create this kind of world that you guys are seeing is I have used this blend map Okay, this is a blend map. The blend map tells the engine where to texture each part of the terrain. Okay, so the blue area here um, is the tile path. Okay, the black areas are grass, these green areas are flowers, these over here are a different texture of grass with flowers on them. So by the way, this model, these trees, these textures is all from theme matrix. Okay, so what I did was I used the blend map not only to paint the textures on the terrain, but also to paint the trees, to distribute the tree models where there is grass. Let me show you quickly what I did. It's not fun looking at code, but let me see. I had written a function that opens that blend map and returns the data from that image. Okay. So after that, I look every pixel of that image, and I check if there is a green pixel, or if there is a green pixel. To be honest, I'm looking at the black pixels. Black is 0 on red, 0 on green, 0 on blue. So if it's black, throw a dice, and if the dice is less than 1.1%, you can create a tree over there. Okay, so that's how I implemented this forest. I'm distributing trees randomly, but only on the black areas of this tile map. Another nice thing that I'm doing is collision detection, because collision detection in 3D is kind of tricky. You have to test your model against every other model if you're not using any kind of optimization. So what I did is I'm using the blend map as a collision map also. Right now the player can only walk on the blue areas. The blue areas are tiles, right? So you can only walk on them. If I try to walk outside the blue tiles, the blue path, I can go, right? Very easy code also to implement collision detection. If you don't want your player to run outside the world, he can go. Even if he jumps over there, there's no way he can go there. Okay, he can only walks on the path you chosen, the path you painted here. This model is from theme matrix, as I said, but the engine is kinda robust for now on that aspect. So I can easily swap the models. Pirate girl. I'm gonna swap the texture and the model, and I also want to change the scale of the model. Here's the position, here's the rotation, here's the scale. Okay, let's reload. Yes, now instead of that funny little guy, we have this beautiful girl right here. So at any time I can change textures and models with ease. Okay, there's also a lot of trees being rendered. I was doing something wrong before, so the frame rate was lagging, but I fixed that, and now we can render a lot of models in real time. Okay, let me tell you how much trees there are here. Yeah, right now we are rendering 3,567 trees. So yeah, I'm also using a responsive canvas. Okay, you have to write code for that on the WebGL, so it can accommodate several devices with a responsive canvas and OpenGL code. Every time you change the screen resolution, you have to update your matrices, so it renders the same. Yes, that's it for now. um, I'm really digging where this project is going. I'm really happy with the results, and I'll keep working on it. I hope you guys like it, and I'll see you soon. Bye.